Okay guys, so my Sony Zv-E10 camera has arrived. Here is the box here. Damn. Alright, so I'm just gonna open this box and gonna go through this stuff, setting it up, but just to let you know guys, I already opened this box earlier and run through some stuff. I even take a few shots with it before, so I cannot show you when this I'm making show you some footage when I just turn the screen on and go through the configuration and stuff like that. So here's the camera here guys. It's really looking nice. So I waited so long for this camera. I never even thought that I would get to be able to purchase this camera, because here from my location, like $700 is really a lot of money. So let me just pop in the battery and my SD card, because I got a package. I didn't just purchase the camera only, I purchased with some accessories. I even got a carrying bag over here, right here. So I'm just gonna show you that quickly. So let me just take out the battery and put it inside. I got this string string that I can hang it and put it around my neck, because I mean, cameras are so expensive and they can even quickly fell on the ground. So I'm just gonna pop on this lens. Now, just to inform you, this is a Sony Zv-E10 24 megapixel APS-C sensor camera, and it comes with the interchangeable lens. So I'm just gonna pop it on and just gonna put in the battery and show you guys quickly what's up. As you can see, let's click, and then you know it's connected. I got the battery inside. Alright, this is the battery here. Original Sony battery. It pops it in, close that, and click it. Now, I got the SD card, because as I said to you guys, I purchased it with an accessories package, so I got most of the daily use stuff. So I got 32 gigs micro SD card, not micro SD card with it. It's 100 megabytes per second in transfer speed. So let me just pop it in. Click. All right, so reason for this camera though guys, because for my contents that I create, I'm the only one who handle my camera and stuff like that. I don't have that camera guy or camera person that can handle the camera for me. So this reason for this camera, because it had this pops out screen that you can flip and flip it around like that. So whenever I'm recording, I can just place it like here, and I can look at the screen like that and tell when I'm in line or in focus and in the frame and stuff like that. But it's really a nice camera. I heard a lot of stories about it, how this and that, and some negative stories and even some positive stories as well. But for me, experiencing this camera now, I can see that it really is a nice camera. It really works out well for me, and for a lot of people do as well. So I haven't get to take as much photos and do even videos with it as yet to test out most of the stuff, because you can see my channel is just starting out and I'm gonna need a lot of support and a far way to go. So I even need some more stuff, because I'm gonna need some more lighting and stuff like that, because as you can see in this video, the lighting around me, it's not that off to talk about. So alright, so the camera is here. I even got some other gears with it, as I said, in the accessories box, but I'm gonna show you those in another video. I might just go for, but I had the flash I can stick on here and take some shots for it to pop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me just even put on this string here, and this is the charging cable. It's a USB type C, and I got it with a power adapter here, or brick, whatever you want to call it, but it's 1.5 amp output. So guys, I'm just gonna put on this strap to protect the camera if it falls, so that it doesn't fall. Right, it doesn't fall. Yeah. Because this camera costs me a lot of money, so I gotta protect it. And I think they did a good idea when they sent this strap, so I can just strap it on me like my bag of money. Yeah. All right, so, and I'm gonna show you the carrying bag that I've got with it, just as I popped on this strap. Yeah, so as you can see, I can just keep it on like this whenever I'm taking shots, or like taking some B-rolls, or I'm outside taking pictures. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys some shots later on while I'm on the go with this camera. So I'm just gonna show you the bag that I got in the accessories package. So it's a nice little carrying bag, carrying all my necessary gears. Well, not all my necessary gears, because of course my tripod that I got with it here does not fit, as you can see. So with this carrying bag, I've got 2 pockets on the side, 1 on the back. So I put my USB Type-C cable cord, data transfer and charging for the camera. This is the original adapter from Sony. Charge, it's 1.5. It charges at 1.5 amp. That's pretty fine for the size battery. Got this other pocket on the side here, approximately 2 with this mesh. I put my SD card reader inside. Pops in the card there. Stick it inside the computer and transfer my data from the SD card. And this is another pocket here. I got this carrying case for my SD cards. I can hold up to 6. As you can see, I have 2 inside there already. Those are 2 old cards though that I had from really a long time ago, but they're pretty small. It's a 4 GB, and I think the other one is something like a 512, but I'm just gonna take pictures with those though. On the pocket on the back, this is something to carry these filters inside. It's from Vivitar Series 1. So this is the dark filter for the sunlight. This is for the 40.5 millimeter lens. Yeah. This is also another filter, Series 1 UV 4.5 millimeter as well. This one is clear, or it shades a little bit, but not that of much. This one is colored. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna test those later on though. Those are not for now. I had this little tripod. This is interesting. So this one, it looks like I can just stick the camera onto it like this, and I can try to hook it on somewhere, some really weird places, and take some photos with it, or like make some b-rolls. So it's really nice though, but I'm gonna try them out later on, and you guys soon will be seeing some really stunning quality contents, some really nice footage. So this thing is called, I don't even remember what you call this, but I can put the camera on here, swing it out from left to right, and I can pop on something else here. I had this cold shoe mount, can put on like my microphone. As you can see, like I'm using the wireless lavalier microphone, which is really nice. This one is from Sony Zv-E10 though. It's a QWM10. I think what I'm gonna need this though is when I'm gonna get that, what they call the small rig, yeah, that you put around the camera, and it comes with a lot of attachment, and you can extend with a lot more accessories. So let's put these back, and I didn't want to make this video too long, so yeah, Sony Zv-E10. So guys, I think, and this is a wind muff here, as they call it, a dead cat eyes. Yeah, so this is to put on to here to, if I am gonna use the microphone that's onto the camera, can block out the wind noise like that. So you had quite a lot of buttons on the camera here. You had this red button for the recording video, on and off switch of course, and this button here switches from photo to video and to S&Q, and this button here take the pictures, and you can use it to zoom in and out. But I really think because it's such a small camera, I think the grip could have been a little bigger though, but because it's small, I kind of understand and learn to accept that. But this is a good option, Sony. I think this was a good idea, making this camera. You can even take pictures, weddings, stuff like that, graduation, and but I believe that's it for now, guys. I may show you some other stuff later on as I go by experiment and using this camera. All right, and I really thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to like this video if you like it, place a comment, and subscribe for more contents.